When people talk about investing, most of the time they are talking about stock market investing. Now, you're never guaranteed to make money while you invest in the stock market, so you want to make sure you do your own research. But there are 5 tips you can use to help you profit from the stock market. And I have to tell you, I'm not a financial advisor or planner. I'm a YouTuber sharing valuable information which I think would add value to someone else's life. So with that said, let's get started. First, it's not always what you buy matters, but when you buy. You can buy shares in the most profitable company in the world, but if you buy it right before an economic crisis, the entire stock market will come down, and this means your amazing stock will go down too. So that means don't chase stocks, wait for the market to come down before you pull the trigger to buy. So how are you supposed to know when it's a good time to buy? Well, you know when you're watching the news and everybody is talking about the stock market is soaring and how people are making tons of money in the stock market, so you have to buy now. Yeah, that's exactly when you should not be buying. I know it can be tempting, but sometimes you just have to sit on your hands and wait. As Warren Buffett would say, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. The media might be reporting all these people are making a killing in the stock market, but you need to trust me on this one. The last thing you want to do is play catch up or chase a stock. Now, when it comes down to investing in stocks, it's like every other asset in that they follow economic cycles. There are times when the stock market is going up, which is called a bullish market. And there are times when the stock market goes down, which is called a bearish market. And then in the middle, you're going to have a bunch of small corrections, so you have to be patient. What goes up must come down, and that doesn't just apply to apples falling on people's head. Here's a very simple way to put it. Buy a strong company when the economy is weak. Number 2, buy for the long term. Remember, we're talking about stock market investing here, not stock market trading. So investing is when you buy a company and you have the mindset to hold it for at least 1 year. Oh, Emma, are you crazy? That's 365 days away. Well, yeah, that's what investing is. You want to buy a stock and then hold it, so your company has time to grow and make you more money. Plus, you don't want to be tempted to sell your stock every time there's a down day in the stock market. Remember, economic cycles happen. Your stock might come down a little bit, so stay calm. Number 3, invest in chunks. I don't care how smart you are. Nobody, and I mean nobody, can accurately predict what's going to happen in the stock market 100% of the time. We'll never be able to predict whether a market is at the top or whether it's at the bottom. So instead of investing all your money at once, you can invest in smaller chunks. So here's what that means. If you want to buy $1,000 worth of share in a particular company, you can start off by investing $200 when the stock hits your buying price. Then, if the stock price goes lower, you can buy more. You can put in another $200 until you have invested all of your $1,000. This way, if the stock price takes a big dive, you can still buy more. Number 4, invest in dividend paying stocks. If you don't want to wait to sell your stock to cash in, you can invest in dividend paying stocks. Not every stock pays a dividend. That means you're going to have to do a little bit of research on your end to see if the company you're going to invest in pay a dividend or not. Now, if these companies do pay a dividend, that means they're going to pay you every single year just for holding that stock. All you have to do, buy shares in that company, and every year they're going to give you money. And this is your money working for you. Most companies pay a quarterly dividends, meaning they pay you every 3 months. The amount a company pays is going to vary from company to company. Number 5, when you're trying to sell a stock, don't be greedy. Guys, please just don't do it. It's not worth it. Nobody can accurately predict when the stock market is going to reach its peak, so don't try to time it. When you hit that 10%, take your profits. Green is green. When you take your profit, don't look back after you sell. You can also sell your stocks in chunks too. So if you think the company is going to go higher, you can sell a portion today and sell some later if you think it's going to continue going up. I'm not telling you what to do, these are just some of my tips, so make sure to do your own research and see what's best for you. Thank you for watching, we appreciate you.